Welcome to the Virtual Strategist YouTube channel. My name is Jay Sturley, and I am a lead strategist with OnStrategy. You're probably used to seeing Erica Olson, our Chief Operating Officer, recording these videos, but I've been invited to do a series on different leadership skills and principles. And so invite you to join us today as we talk about and whiteboard leading with precise praise. Now you're probably thinking, what does giving praise have to do with leadership and why is it important? Well, feeling valued actually trumps things like pay, work-life balance, and well-being. 54% of people cite a lack of feeling valued as a top 3 reason for leaving their employer. And only 30% in the last week have reported receiving any sort of positive recognition. Giving precise praise matters. There are 5 core benefits or key benefits to giving precise praise. Let me run through those quickly before we address the praise aiming metrics in the whiteboard. Those are, number 1, to retain and motivate staff. Number 2, install confidence with truth. Number 3, positively affect the trajectory of a person's life for years to come. And if you're looking for a pro tip, that's about as big and as good as it gets. Being able to positively affect and impact one of your coworkers just by the words you speak. Are you going to use them for good or use them for harm? How are you going to uplift others? Giving precise praise can truly accomplish that. A number 4 benefit is help recognize the good in work despite any challenges. Number 5, increase the frequency and power of your compliments. So now let's look at the praise aiming matrix. And this was written and developed by 2 of my friends, Stan Endicott and David Miller. And they wrote a book called Improv Leadership. It's fantastic. I encourage you to check it out. This is just but one of 5 key skills that book lists. And this is the matrix. You can see on the left-hand column, you have to consider the environment in which you are going to give your precise praise, and then also the purpose. So how does this work? Well, you want to give some praise to another person. You want to evaluate which of these 9 dynamics or which one of these 9 intentions do you want to give that praise with? And so let's say you just want to uplift somebody. You could say, I'm going to do it in a private situation, and my intention, my purpose is to uplift. It would sound something like this. Hey, Sally, I saw you and the way you responded to that customer when they were upset and they were yelling at you and X, Y, and Z. I saw, Sally, how you are kind, you showed respect, you had empathy, you did an amazing job. That's precise praise. That is far more powerful than just saying, hey, Sally, that was cool what you did. All right, let's get back to work, right? It carries different weight, and that's a way you might encourage somebody. Another powerful way, I'll give you another example. I'm not going to talk about all 9 of these here, is enculturation. This is an opportunity in a public space to give praise that shows out and casts and reinforces things like your company values or strategic objectives for this quarter. And it's a way of kind of enculturating the environment. And so encourage you to use this praise metrics, and just want to lastly say, last pro tip, precise praise is rooted in the careful, intentional, and specific acknowledgement of an individual's efforts and accomplishments. Precise praise goes far beyond platitudes, and it carries far more weight. So I encourage you to try precision praise today, tomorrow, and the next day. It will help your leadership, and it will help your team to thrive. If you like this video, certainly like it, share it, and encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Happy strategizing.